Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start on the Xbox home screen. Sign into the profile that owns the console. Once signed in, make sure the console is awake and connected to your network because the ID is stored locally and tied to your account. Now press the Xbox button to open the guide, navigate to Profile and System, and select Settings. This gets you directly to system-level menus where the console identifier's live. Follow these exact taps to avoid hunting through unrelated sections. Once in Settings, head to System and select Console Info to surface the detailed identifiers you need. You'll see fields labeled Console ID, Serial Number, and Device ID. Those are the exact values used for support, activation, or device linking. Make sure you read them carefully and copy each string exactly because they are case-sensitive and sometimes include hyphens. If you prefer, take a clear photo with your phone for accuracy. This speeds later entry and prevents transcription errors when you need the ID. After recording the console ID and related numbers, use them where required and store a secure copy so you can reference them later. If the console ID does not appear, reboot the console and reopen console info. Temporary glitches often hide fields until after a restart. If rebooting doesn't help, make sure your profile has admin rights, then contact Xbox support and provide the serial and device ID. Those help agents locate your console. One quick tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.